Hello all, welcome to Code Hub, and today let us solve the lead code daily challenge. And the problem is reverse words in a string. Given an input string, reverse the word order of the words. A word is defined as a sequence of non-space characters. The words in S will be separated by at least one space. That is, it can have one or more than one space. Return a string of words in reverse order concatenated by a single space. So note that yes may contain leading and trailing spaces or multiple spaces between two words. The return string should only have a single space separating the words. Do not include any extra spaces. So it is a quite straightforward problem. How can we solve this problem? The example is the sky is blue and the required answer is blue is sky. The how is it formed is just we can reverse each words, that is blue is sky the. If we can pass this entire string with by taking only the words, and we can just reverse those words in the vector, and we can add one space between them and we can return the answer. So it is quite simple. If you can use a string stream. If you do not know what a string stream, it is an STL that can be used to pass the string based on delimiters. So first what we can do is we can just split the words into splits with the delimiter space, and once it is splitted, we what we can do is we can just store them in a vector, and we can just reverse that vector and take it, we can just add it to our answer. It is quite straightforward. That let us try to quickly code the approach. So the string stream can be as parse, and this is going to be my string stream, and I will also declare a temporary word which is going to keep my words in between. So while my get line of, I should give the parameter pass and then word and delimiter space. Whenever we are declaring the string stream, we want to give our required string to be passed. So parser, I will name it as parser. It will be making more sense. So once this is a pass, we will get each word in this while loop, but there are multiple spaces, so word can also have an empty size, because even the space will be counted as words. So we will first check whether it is a word. For that we can just check word dot size is greater than 0. If it is definitely containing more than 0 length, then it is a word. So we can just store it in some vector, right? First we can store it in some vector, but dot push back of word. So we have done it. So finally we want to reverse that entire words vector. So for that I will just declare a string res, and for each and every word we want to append an extra space in between them. So what we can do is we can just come in reverse order. For int I equals to words dot size minus 1, and I is greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. So we can add just the words of I, and we can add an extra space. But here there lies a problem. If we are having 3 words, sky the, we will be having this in a vector sky and the, and now we are taking from reverse order the space, then a space, sorry, then sky space and a space. So finally there will be an extra space, so we just want to remove that, so we can just do a pop-back. So hope I am making sense what I tried to say. I think you understood what I tried to say. And finally we can just return our res. So this is what we can do, and we want to declare a vector of words which is string. Now let us try to run our code. Okay, it gets accepted. Let us try to submit our code. So the time complexity, basically you can consider it to be an order of n, and the space complexity is also an order of n. We are taking an extra space for parser and StringStream as well as the vector. So hope you like the solution and let me know in the comments. And I think you have learned what is a string stream today. So let us see in tomorrow's LeetCode daily challenge. Until then, bye.